In this video, we're going to show you how to create a website with Bubble.io using its no-code visual editor. Bubble allows you to design the interface, structure the database, and define the logic of your website, all without writing a single line of code. To get started, sign up for a free account on the Bubble.io website. Once you're logged in, start a new project. You can choose to begin from a blank canvas, use Bubble's AI generator to create initial layouts and content, or select a pre-built template to save time. Next, explore the main sections of the Bubble editor. The Design tab is where you build your user interface. Drag and drop visual elements such as text, images, buttons, and icons onto your canvas. Plan your layout carefully for both desktop and mobile devices to ensure a responsive design. Use reusable elements and styles to maintain consistency across your pages. The Data tab is where you structure your website's database. Define data types and fields to store information such as user emails, product details, or orders. For example, you could create a product data type with fields like name, price, and description. In the Workflow tab, you define the logic and interactions of your website. Workflows connect events, like a button click, to actions, such as saving user input to the database, navigating to another page, or sending an email. This is where your website becomes interactive and dynamic. The Plugins tab allows you to add extra functionality and integrate with third-party services, like Stripe for payments, Google Maps, or external APIs. Plugins expand the capabilities of your website without needing to code. After setting up your design, database, and workflows, preview and test your website using the built-in Bubble Preview mode. This lets you see your website in action in real time and debug any issues. Once everything is working correctly, you can launch your website. Bubble handles web hosting, and you can connect a custom domain name if you have one. By combining Bubble's visual editor, workflows, database management, and plugins, you can create fully functional, responsive websites that are production-ready, all without writing code. Bubble makes it easy for beginners and experienced creators alike to build dynamic web applications quickly and efficiently.